Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going through a back workout where I am gonna show you 5 exercises of my most favorite exercise to build a thicker and wider back. So if you are looking to build upper back thickness and your V taper back, so you should include this exercise known as deadlift. It is a compound exercise to build a powerful looking back. So as it's one of the best compound exercise which help in developing various muscles that make up your posture straight. It is one of the most effective exercise for size and strength. So how to perform this exercise? You should focus on two things while performing deadlift. First thing, your chest and back should be straight, and the second thing, ensure that your hips position are between your knees and head. While performing deadlift, many people do wrong. Their back become round. Rounding of back will cause injury. So keep in mind your spine should remain straight with your head, hips and back all in one line. And also look that your bar is under your scapula and the bar and the body position is right angle 90 degree. So and when you are lifting, assume that you are pulling the weight from the feet, not from the floor. While doing this exercise, when you come at the top position, your hip should extend, which include contract your glutes and activate them. What many people do, they lean when they come at the top position, they lean back. The leaning back, which is not required, which cause a lot of stress on your lower back. Deadlift is the exercise which engage various muscles like hamstring, lower back, erector spinae, lats, core and chest and shoulder. So you should include this exercise in your back routine. Come to the second exercise. The second exercise is bend over row. While performing bend over row, this exercise hit various muscles: latissimus dorsi, trapezius, posterior deltoid, brachialis and brachioradialis. While performing this, how to perform this exercise? The way the same, your chest and back should straight, no rounding of back while performing this exercise. So this exercise help in developing wider and thicker back. It engages the latissimus dorsi muscles. When it comes to the weight, your weight should be moderate, not too much heavy or not too light. According to your ability and capacity, you put weight, and about rep range 6 to 8 rep range should there, and about set you should do 3 to 4 sets. This exercise is also most effective and efficient for developing back and biceps muscles. Keep in mind while performing this exercise, your form should be proper and weight according to your ability, according to your capacity. Perform this exercise. You should include this exercise in your back routine. It is one of the most effective exercise. Comes to the third exercise known as seated cable row. For this exercise, you will need low pulley row machine with a V bar. V bar will help to have a neutral grip. Start position of this exercise. First, you should sit down on the machine. Place your foot on the front platform and knees should be slightly bent, not locked, and lean over for holding the V bar handles. With your arms extended, pull back until your torso is at 90 degree from your legs, and also ensure that your back should arch and chest out. Keeping the torso stationary, pulling the handle back towards your torso while keeping the arm close to it until you touch the abdominal. Breathe out while you perform this movement, and this exercise is also help in building your back thicker and wider. Next exercise is machine low row. Go to the machine row, sit down and reach forward and grab both the handles. Press your chest against pad and make sure that your stomach is tight. Stretch your arms breathe in and breathe out. Pull the weight all the way back, squeezing the back and stretch. Squeeze and stretch is the most important part of this exercise. Feeling the stretch in the lats and feeling the squeeze in the back. This is how you isolate the back muscle. Do not allow your back arch during your exercise. Your elbow is slightly outside to really and squeeze those blades together, and exercise also help in developing the wide back muscles. Now comes to the last and the most efficient back workout, that is known as lat pull down. In lat pull down, you will need lat pull machine. In every gym there is a machine known as lat pull machine. You go to the machine, grab the bar, sit down on the seat, pulling the weight down with elbows, squeeze and stretch, keeping your elbows slightly in front of you and in line with your hip as you pull down the weight. There should be a mind muscle connection. So these are the 5 exercises which help in building the solid back. So you include this exercise in your back workout routine and get better result and good muscle quality.